of concentration. So other than concentration is temperature, then catalyst, and very good Amanda, size. Okay, ada 4 factor that affect the rate of reaction between marble and hydrochloric acid. Okay, what is the chemical formula for marble chip? Marble chip or marble powder? Marble chip lah selalu. Okay, what is the formula? Ca, CO3, calcium carbonate. Okay, for set 1, using 0.1 mole hydrochloric acid, so the initial mass and this one is the final mass. Okay, for the second experiment, okay, tengok yang ni beza dia, this one dia guna 0.1 mole per dm cube. Okay, this one dia guna 0.5 mole per dm cube, and the third experiment dia guna 1 mole per dm cube. So kalau based on the theory yang kamu belajar, which experiment have the highest ROR? Because the mass of marble chip is constant. So between 1 to 3, yang mana paling highest? Very good. Experiment 3. Okay, next. Kita tengok soalan yang pertama. Record the mass, okay, to 2 decimal places. 2 titik perpuluhan. 2 decimal places. Kalau dia kata 2 sahajalah. Okay, 3 markah untuk 6 yang tepat. So for the first experiment with the unit, okay, so this one kalau 2 decimal point is 150.0, sorry, 0.70 gram. And after 8 minutes, 150.64 gram. Tengok sini. Ingat kan kalau more than 5 kita yang depan tu kita tambah 1. Less than 5 kita biar remain sama. Okay, for the second experiment, 150.70 gram. So this one 150.55 gram. Okay, the last set. Okay, before experiment 150.70 gram, and after reaction 150.47 gram. Very good. So kalau 6 jawapan ni betul, then you get 3 marks. Kalau salah satu daripadanya salah, dia akan jatuh 2 markah. Kamu tengok skim dia kat sini. Kamu belajar macam mana markah kamu boleh kurang from 3 to 1. Tengok kalau kamu tengok dekat sini, kalau for set 1 kena kalau 3 marks maka semua kena tepat. Okay. Kalau 2 markah bila kamu able to record any 4 reading correctly. Okay. And kalau 1 markah, you able to record any 3 readings correctly. Correctly tak semestinya 2 decimal point. Tengok sini ayat dia. Able to record any 4 readings correctly. Kalau tak ikut 2 decimal point pun masih boleh diterima. Kalau 1 markah, record any 3 readings. Maksudnya kalau kamu record 4 macam ni pun, still boleh dapat markah. Because paper 3 bukan senang-senang boleh bagi kosong. Okay, sekejap . Okay, continue. Alright, we go to next question. So this one 3 markah. So for next question, construct a table to record the reading of mass in diagram 1. So in your table mesti ada set. So table dia macam ni. Lama sengit-sengit. Okay, we have set. And then we have concentrations of hydrochloric acid. Don't forget the unit is mole per dm cube. Okay. And then mass before experiment. Sorry, set ni tak payahlah sebab kita dah buat yang ni kan. Set ni tak payah. Okay. So kita terus pergi concentrations of hydrochloric acid. Mass before experiment in gram. And the last one is mass of marble after experiment gram. Sorry, ni tertinggal. Marble. Okay, then alright, then kita buatlah concentration. Sini ada set 1, kita ada 0.1. Okay, then we have 0.5. Bila dalam table ni tak perlu tulis unit pun tak apa because dekat title ni you all dah write the unit and then sini 1.0. Then just fill up data yang kamu dapat tadi 150.70 pun tak payah tulis gram sebab dekat title dah ada gram. So tiga-tiga sama for initial. Boleh juga kamu nak tambah sini kan. Okay, tulis set 1. Boleh. Set 2 can. Set 3. Okay, kita tambah. Because ni semua set 1, 0.1, 0.5, 1.0. Okay, and then 150.70. Okay, then mass marbles after experiment. Okay, kita ambil tu decimal point sebab soalan 1 tadi dia minta teacher if right set only but never right. Oh, set 1. Lepas tu apa yang beza dia? Set 1. Lepas tu yang ni tulis set tak ada concentration Means concentration you tak ada. You terus tulis set 1, set 2, set 3 and then this one. I think tak ada masalah. Boleh. Sebab yang dia nak tengok is mass before and mass after. Kita measure yang ini. Okay. Nanti kita tengok scheme. Okay. 105.64, 150.55 and 150.47. So this one total 3 marks. Okay, mari kita tengok skema. Okay, scheme. Okay, look at the scheme. Alright, kalau scheme mesti tulis manipulated variables. Okay, mass of conical flask and it contain with correct unit before experiment. Mass of conical flask and it contain with correct unit after experiment. And then transfer correctly. Okay, maksudnya di sini manipulated variables wajib tulis. Wajib tulis mean kena tulislah concentrations of HCl. Understand or not? Sebab kalau dekat scheme ni dia tulis mesti ada tulis manipulated. Okay, manipulated variables ni wajib. So memang kamu kena tulis. Okay, Puiman? Tengok, tiga-tiga kena tulis manipulated variables. Okay, mesti kena tulis manipulated variables. Mesti tulis the apa satu lagi tu? Mass before and mass after experiment. Okay, tengok skim dia. So kamu belajar, kamu kalau bila kamu tulis, so kamu dapat point berapa. Okay. Boleh kita sambung? Can we proceed to the next question? Alright, okay now. Okay, based on set 1 in diagram 1, state 1 observation. Okay, kita tengok set 1. So what is the observation from daripada set 1, apa observation yang you dapat? Yang you nampak. Observation mesti guna deria. Mesti guna sense. 5 sense yang kita ada. Okay, very good. Colorless gas bubble produce. Colorless gas bubble release. 3 markah. Jawapan macam Amanda tu dah 3 markah. Okay. Colorless gas bubble release produce. Okay. Alright, look at the scheme. Kita tengok, kita compare dengan scheme. If no colorless, so tak ada masalah pun. Okay, tengok bubble produce. Kalau kamu tulis air bubble, salah. Mass reading decreases boleh, tapi mark kamu akan jatuh pada 2 markah. Okay. So the best answer is bubble produce. Boleh. No colorless pun boleh. Bubble produce boleh. Tapi bagi cikgu colorless gas bubble tu lagi accurate. Yelah. Tu sebab tu cikgu kata kertas 3 ni kalau kamu boleh score memang senang. Macam tu 2 perkataan pun dapat. 2 perkataan je boleh dapat 3 marks. Easy. Kan? Okay. Can we proceed? Alright, we go to question D. So ingat observation, ulang sekali lagi ya. Observation kita guna our 5 sense. Mata, telinga, semua yang kita boleh nampak. Yang kita boleh dengar. Okay. Inference. So what do you understand about inference? First of all, before you write the answer, you must know what is inference actually. What is inference? Anyone can respond. What is inference? What is inference, guys? Conclusion. Okay, actually betul. Inference is the simple conclusion based on the observation. Betul pun my explanation. Macam tadi you cakap dekat atas ni, you kata observation is colorless gas bubble release. So you kena buat conclusion, you kena explain what is the colorless gas bubble release. So what's your answer? So what is your answer? What is your inference? Observation, you write colorless gas bubble release. So your inference, you must conclude the observation. Respond? Yes, very good, Puiman. Carbon dioxide gas release. 3 markah. Carbon dioxide gas release. Okay. So look at the scheme. Apa yang menyebabkan kamu tak dapat full mark? Okay. Kita tengok. Kalau kamu kata carbon dioxide release 3 markah. Kalau kamu kata gas sahaja release dah jatuh 2 marks. Gas is formed, heat is released 1 markah. So kalau kamu faham what is inference, senang-senang saja kamu dapat 3 marks. Okay, now continue. Alright, question E. State the variables for this experiment. So what is the variables? Manipulated variables mean yang kita ubah, what we change, responding, what we observe, fix, apa yang sama from first until the end of the experiment. So in this experiment, what is the manipulated variables? Very good. concentrations of hydrochloric acid. Okay, responding variables. Okay, very good Puiman. Rate of reaction. Ataupun satu lagi. Satu lagi, rate of reaction ni yang paling senang lah. Kalau satu lagi, okay, change in mass of calcium carbonate after 8 minutes. Okay, cikgu ulang sekali lagi. Selain daripada rate of reaction, change mass of calcium carbonate after 8 minutes. Okay, based on the diagram 1. Dia tulis situ, change mass of calcium carbonate after 8 minutes. Or change of marbles after 8 minutes. Okay, how about the fixed variable? What is the fixed variable? The size of marble chip. Ya ke size? Yang constant, size. Dalam ni kita tak ada size. Apa yang constant? Kamu tengok, okay? Boleh. Volume of HCl, very good. Okay, lagi? Okay, initial mass of marble. Initial mass, okay? Kalau boleh avoid guna size ya, Zingyu. Messi. Initial mass marble. Sebab size kita tak ada unit for size, betul tak? Okay. Yang ada mass, temperature of HCl. Okay, boleh sebab constant. Temperature of HCl, very good, betul. Okay, boleh? Okay, mari kita tengok skema. Alright, kita tengok scheme. Manipulated concentrations of hydrochloric acid for the manipulated. Responding rate of reaction of or change in mass of calcium carbonate. Kita tambah after 8 minutes. Fixed variables. Volume of hydrochloric acid. Mass, initial mass of calcium carbonate. Temperature. Oh, sini boleh guna size pula. Avoid lah guna size. Sebab size tak ada unit lah. Okay. Fixed variable dia minta satu kan. So salah satu yang lebih accurate jawapan, baik pilih yang tu. Okay. Alright, next we go to hypothesis. Okay, how to write hypothesis? Hypothesis mesti ada dua benda yang very important. So apa benda yang mesti ada in hypothesis? Mesti ada what? MV and apa Kristi? Follow by RV. Very good. MV follow by RV. Okay, now so in this case, what is the MV? MV is concentrations of hydrochloric acid. RV is rate of reaction. So hypothesis dia mesti ada, kita panggil mesti ada, sama ada increase, decrease, longer, shorter, higher, lower. Okay. Faster, slower. Okay, so for hypothesis, this one. The higher the concentrations of hydrochloric acid, the higher the ROR. Yes, perfect. Boleh? Pandai. Okay, when the concentration of hydrochloric acid is higher. Nanti dalam exam jangan tulis ROR ya. ROR also higher. Okay. Dalam exam jangan tulis ROR ya. Ini sebab kita tengah buat latihan kan. So boleh diampunkan. Bila betul-betul jangan tulis. If I write when the concentration of HCl, boleh increase pun boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay, kita tengok scheme. Okay, the higher the concentration, the higher the ROR, the higher the concentration, the larger the change in mass, 1 markah. Okay, kalau jatuh 2 markah, bila kamu tulis able to state, okay, the higher the concentration, the faster. Okay, tengok. Bila higher, kita kena pakai higher lah. Tak boleh satu higher, satu faster. Okay. Dia jatuh 2 markah. Change in concentrations affect the change in mass pun jatuh 2 markah. Efek-efek ni tak boleh guna untuk hipotesis. Dia mesti ada higher, lower, bigger, smaller, shorter, longer. Kena macam tu. Puiman boleh. Concentration HCl increase, ROR increase. Boleh. Okay, now next. Alright, the experiment in set 1 was modified by using 0.8 mol per dm cube hydrochloric acid. Predict the electronic balance reading after 8 minutes. Okay, kita tengok balik kepada first and the second diagram. Okay, first diagram dia kata 0.8. So kalau 0.8 maksudnya the reading mesti bigger than this one. Betul tak? Betul? Mesti bigger than 150.55 kan? Sebab dia kata 0.8 tapi kena less than 0.47. So jawapan kamu kenalah in between itu. Okay, in between bacaan yang kedua dan ketiga. Hydrochloric. Okay. Guna 0.8. So jawapan kamu kena in between 150 berapa tadi? 1504720 hingga tak boleh lebih daripada yang satu ni. Yang satu tadi berapa? 150.47. lima kosong. Okay. Tak boleh tulis increase decrease. Macam mana ayat kamu Ainin? Betul tu. Untuk yang ini kita kena follow balance yang dia guna. Kalau 4 decimal point, 4 decimal point. And for your information, untuk soalan ni kamu tak boleh tulis in between macam ni. Kamu kena pilih. Yang ni cikgu nak bagi tahu je. Kamu kena pilih satu bacaan. Okay, contoh cikgu ambil 150.4731. Okay, gram. 3 markah. Kena follow electronic balance dekat atas tu Menda. So kalau kat atas tu memang 4, ikutlah 4. Kita tengok skema. Kalau dia kata letak 2 markah apa jadi? Tengok okey, answer 1504720. Okey. Tak ada, semua kena 4 Menda. Okey. Kita ikut gambar rajah beam balance dekat atas tu. Alright. Okay, now. Operational definition. Cikgu dah bagi tahu banyak kali apa benda yang kena ada in operational definition. Mesti ada what you do and then mesti ada what you observe. Okay, apa yang kita observe dalam case ni? What we observe here? Antara 1, 2 and 3, 3 set ni apa yang kita observe? Okay, very good. Change in mass. So kita nak tengok change in mass ni what we do dalam tempoh berapa lama? After 8 minit. Pandai tu. Jawapan tu perfect. Dapat 3 markah for operational definition. So what you observe is change in mass. Okay. You observe masa bila? After 8 minutes. Okay, so change in mass is what you observe, and after 8 minutes is what you do. Means you observe dia after 8 minutes. Any problem with the operational definition? Okay, let's check the scheme. Okay, kita tengok scheme. Okay, what should be done, what should be observed. Mesti ada dua-dua. Okay, change in mass of when time taken at 8 minutes. Okay, contohlah masa kamu exam tu. Kamu tak reti nak tulis operational definition yang complete. Kamu tulislah what you do or what you observe. Sekurang-kurangnya kamu boleh dapat markah 2 dekat situ kan. Takkanlah kamu tak boleh tahu what you done ke what you observe. Either one ni boleh dapat 2 markah, okay? So kalau masa hari periksa, hari kejadian tu agak blank, tak reti nak tulis full yang betul, operational definition, tulislah salah satu yang kamu confidence. Kurang-kurangnya kamu dapat 2 markah dekat sini. But make sure dia kena tepat lah. Okay, able to give an idea for operational definition of ROR. Kalau macam ni, kamu tulis time is taken, change in mass after some time, dapat 1 markah. Okay, any question? Any question about operational definition? Okay, boleh ya? Yang lain semua okay? Okay, now we go to question I. Okay, hydrochloric acid used in experiment in set 1 is in excess. The experiment in set 1 allowed to run until the reaction complete. State the relationship. Okay, sebenarnya relationship and hypothesis ni lebih kurang. Mesti ada higher, lower, increase, decrease. Mesti ada benda tu, okay? The change in the mass of time. Okay, tengok dia kata state the relationship between the change in mass with time. Ikut dia kata ni. Okay, so tulislah when time increase, okay, mass of marble decrease. Okay, ada apa ayat belakang? Sebab dia kata until reaction complete, lepas tu dia kata hydrochloric use is in excess. Apa ayat belakang yang kita nak tulis? When time increase, mass of marble decrease. Pandai awak ni. Until constant. Very good awak ni. Pandai. When time increase, mass of marble decrease until constant. Until it get a constant value. Betul. 3 markah. Very good. Okay, mari kita tengok scheme. Okay, kalau kamu tengok skema sini. Alright, when time increase, the change in mass increase until constant. Bila tak ada constant, dia akan jatuh 2 markah. When time increase, the change in mass increase. Okay. Ni the change in mass increase. Yang cikgu punya, when time increase, mass of marble decrease. Okay. Change in mass increase. Itu dia kata change. Yang ayat dia guna sini change of mass Oh, tapi sini change of mass. So kena betulkan change of mass lah. Kita kena ikut ayat dia ni, change of mass. Of mass Marble increase. Kenapa increase? Change of marble increase. Increase ni bukan decrease. Kalau mass of marble decrease. Kalau change of mass of marble also increase. Maksudnya apa situ? Makin lama masa diambil, perubahan mass tu makin bertambah. Betul tak? Understand or not? Apa maksud when time increase, change of mass marble dissolve more. Kamu tengok ayat di sini. Dia minta kamu state relationship between change in mass with time. So, kita kena cerita pasal change in mass with time. Tak boleh guna dissolve semua tu. Maksudnya marble tu react more. Betul? Lagi lama, lagi masa bertambah, lagi lama dia react, lagi kurang lah dia punya mass of marble. Sebab tu lah bila time increase, change of mass of marble increase. So careful dengan ayat dia. Cikgu pun terkucil kat sini. Tengok ayat dia, change in mass dengan time. Alright, write the chemical equation. Bolehkah? Yang soalan I ni boleh faham tak? Apa beza change in mass dengan mass saja? Boleh differentiate? Okay, very good. Ni faham. Okay, write the chemical equation for the reaction between hydrochloric acid and calcium carbonate. Senang saja soalan ni. Tulislah chemical equation. Hydrochloric acid campur calcium carbonate, and then the product respond. What is the product? Apakah produknya? Okay, CaCl2, very good. CaCl2 lagi. H2O lagi. Very good. Pandai Menda. Okay, now look at the reactant and the product. Ada yang tak balance tak? Okay, we put 2 here. 2H2Cl, okay. Ca1, C1O3. Okay, nice. 3 markah. Okay, now look at the question K. Ada masalah lah kan kamu chemical equation. 3 markah. Macam tu je 3 markah. Okay, dia bagi kamu 4 substances. Classify these 4 substances into substance with pH more than 7. More than 7 means alkaline, akali. And then bila dia kata excess, tengok soalan tu dia kata, okay, ini tengok soalan I ni. Hydrochloric acid used in experiment in set 1 is in excess. Excess tu maksudnya dia kita letak je dia. Sebab tu kita kena ada perkataan until constant. Okay? Sebab ada ayat excess dekat sini. Nampak tak Ainin? So if ada perkataan in excess macam ni, so we need to put the until constant. Ya, betul. Untuk relationship, Ainin. This one untuk relationship. Okay, very good. So now this one, pH more than 7 is alkaline and less than 7 is acid. So antara 4 ni, soap kategori apa? More than 7, betul? So soap. Okay, then carbonate drink. Carbonate drink sini. Cuma bodohnya tulisan. Okay, carbonate drink. Alright, then this one more than 7 is baking powder. And this one is vinegar. Okay, betul 4-4, 3 markah. Kita tengok macam mana kamu boleh hilang markah. Okay, so this one is chemical equation. Okay, alright. So able to classify any 3, 2 markah. Able to classify any 2, 1 markah. Okay, settle for first question. Now, kita proceed to second question. Boleh guys, we go to second question. Okay, we go to second question. Auni okay? Christy okay? Alright, now diagram 2 shows the conversation between two students. Why is the experiment of electroplating the iron spoon unsuccessful for my group? The connections of iron spoon and copper to the battery terminals are correct. Oh, no wonder electroplating does not occur. You use the wrong electrolyte. Okay guys, kalau kamu tengok sini kan, dia nak electroplate antara, okay, dia nak electroplate spoon. Okay, electroplating. Allah, macam balloon dah pula spoon. Okay, this one is dia guna copper. This one is iron spoon. Okay, sepatutnya electrolyte ni pakai electrolyte apa? This electrolyte, this solution kena guna solution yang ada which ion? Ion apa yang ada? Mesti ada dalam this electrolyte. Pandai. Copper. Very good. So kita pakai copper to sulfate solution. Agak-agak dekat atas tu kenapa dia tak berjaya? Because dia guna wrong electrolyte. Mungkin dia guna zinc sulfate. Kalau guna zinc sulfate tak boleh lah. Sebab apa? Sebab no copper ion. Okay, no copper to ion. Sebab tu dia punya eksperimen tak berjaya. Sebab dia guna salah electrolyte. Okay, now. So based on the situation above, plan a lab experiment. Okay, kat sini kita dah ada hint dia minta apa. To study the factors that affect the above result. Okay, now dalam eksperimen kamu ni kena ada semua benda ni. So bagi tahu siap-siap ya. Problem statement 3 markah. Variables 3 markah. 1 variables 1 mark. Hypothesis 3 marks. Material and apparatus perfect 3 marks. Procedure 3 marks. And data is 2 marks. Now kita cuba jawab satu per satu. Okay, problem statement. Anyone? Problem statement mesti ada question mark. Mesti dalam bentuk question. So what is the problem statement here? Apa yang effect tadi? Apa masalah dalam eksperimen ni tadi? Because dia guna different. How does the type of electrolyte affect electroplating? Very good tu. 3 markah tu. Jawapan tu paling tepat. Okay. So, how. Tak nak pula tulis kat sini. Kita ikut jawapan tu betul. How does the type of electrolyte affect electroplating? How does type of electrolyte affect the electroplating? 3 markah. Okay. Okay, look at the scheme. Alright, kita tengok scheme. Apa yang menyebabkan kita kehilangan markah? Kalau jawapan tu memang dapat 3 markah. Okay, tengok. How does the type of electrolyte affect electroplating? Question mark, 3 markah. Or how does zinc sulfate and copper to sulfate solutions affect electroplating? Kalau kamu tengok yang sample answer number 2 ni, dia dah bagi siap-siap contoh. Zinc sulfate ni maksudnya yang wrong electrolyte. Okay, copper to sulfate is the correct electrolyte. Huh? Cardboard can buka itself one lah. Why? Ada orang dekat bawah, Amanda. Okay. Ayuk. Okay, tengok. 2 marks. How does the type electrolyte affect the experiment? Okay, dapat 2 markah sebab dia tak bagi tahu dekat sini what process. Kalau kita tengok soalan tadi, dia dah bagi tahu electroplating. Okay, and then 1 mark, how is electroplating done? Okay, now. Alright, manipulated variables. So, apa yang kita ubah in this experiment? Kita ubah apa, guys? Kita ubah type of panda using you. Type of electrolyte. Or kita boleh siap-siap tulis nama electrolyte yang kita nak guna dalam eksperimen ni. Yang wrong electrolyte is zinc sulfate. And mesti ada N and copper 2 sulfate. So type of electrolyte pun betul ataupun you tulis siap-siap zinc sulfate and copper 2 sulfate. Okay, responding variables. Apa yang responding variables is electroplating. Okay. Alright, betul. Electroplating on iron spoon. Pandai. Very good. Okay. What constant variables here? Apa yang constant? Apa yang constant? Apa yang kita pandai Farah. Copper plate, copper electrode, betul. Copper electrode. Copper electrode. Copper electrode tu dekat mana? Copper electrode mesti dekat mana? Sebab we want to electroplate the iron spoon. So copper electrode at anode. Very good. Okay, now continue. Nothing, Cewe. Settled already. Okay, now we go to hypothesis. Okay, what is hypothesis? Dah bagi tahu tadi kan, hypothesis, MV and RV. So MV here is type of electrolyte or zinc sulfate and copper 2 sulfate, and RV is electroplating on iron. So kalau macam ni perlu ke higher, lower, increase, decrease? Ada ke kalau macam ni, case macam ni? Is it need we use higher, lower? Tak payah. Very good, Christy. So kita tulislah macam ni. When using copper 2 sulfate solution as electrolyte, iron spoon will electroplate, while when using zinc sulfate, electroplating do not occur. So kena sebut dua-dua. Yang mana electroplating occur, yang mana tak. At iron spoon. Okay. Okay. Alright, now material and apparatus. Okay, agak-agak apa material and apparatus? Cikgu bagi tahu ada 9. Ada 9 ni, then you can get 3 marks. Apakah yang pertama? Cikgu dah lukis gambar dah pun tadi. Mana gambarnya? Kamu lukis gambar. Kalau soalan tak minta gambar, okey cikgu nak pesan Kalau kamu lukis gambar walaupun dia tak minta, dia membantu. Contohlah, kamu terlupa nak tulis dalam material and apparatus tapi dalam diagram kamu ada benda tu. Dia boleh tarik daripada situ satu masuk ke dalam material and apparatus. Okay? So lukis gambar. Sebab mana tahu dia takut dalam gambar ada, dalam tulisan tak ada, dia boleh ambil daripada situ. Okay, very good. Menda, we have beaker. Lagi? Satu. Lagi? Connecting wire. Betul Farah. Lagi? Batteries. Betul. Lagi? Copper electrode. Lagi? Crocodile clip tu sekali dengan connecting wire lah. Iron spoon. Lagi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lagi 4. Switch. Yes. Switch ni nampak remeh tapi wajib tau. Okay, very good. Okay, kita tulis 50 cm cube 0.5 mol per dm cube copper to sulfate solution. Lagi? Benda yang sama 50 cm cube 0.5 mol per dm cube zinc sulfate solution and sandpaper. Pandai. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dan 9. Okey. Cikgu nak tekankan dekat sini. Switch ni. Walaupun dalam gambar rajah tak payah switch tapi dalam material and apparatus switch ni lah yang menentukan kamu ni dapat 3 markah ke tak 3 markah. Switch ni wajib. Okay, so kalau berkaitan dengan elektrolisis letak switch Kalau voltage tak payah switch lah. Okay. Alright, now we go to ini 9 markah. Kita tengok skema. Okay, skema kalau kamu dapat semua 9 betul. Okay, kalau kamu boleh jawab ni 6. Nah, dia dah bagi. Ini bahan yang wajib. So 6 bahan ni kalau ada dapat 2 markah. Kalau kamu tulis 4 benda ni 1 markah. Okay, now we go to the procedure. What is the first procedure? Anyone? Procedure mesti mulakan dengan dia punya activity dulu. Kata kerja dekat depan. And then sambung dengan bahan. Okay, very good. Clean what? Clean iron spoon and copper electrode by using sandpaper. Okay, point kedua. Apa lagi nak buat? Pour, pandai. Pour apa? Okay, pour 50 cm cube 0.5 mol per dm cube of copper to sulfate solution into a beaker. 3. Clean iron spoon and copper. Boleh Kristi, betul? Okay, nombor 3 immerse. Immerse apa? Immerse the iron spoon and copper electrode into the solution. Okay, point number 4. Okay, point number 4. Connect the iron spoon and copper electrode to the anode and cathode respectively. Okay, number 5. Okay, lepas dah connect, Complete. Ni kita guna ni. Complete the circuit. Maksudnya dua-dua kena tulis tau ni. Okay, 6. Lepas complete the circuit. Terbalik tak ada masalah. Terbalik tak ada masalah. Yang penting dia nak semua prosedur tu ada. Terbalik tak apa. Yang penting apa yang dia nak tu mesti ada. Okay. Dia akan bagi tahu ni wajib, ni mesti ada, mesti ada, mesti ada. Okay, after complete the circuit. Observe the iron spoon and record it. Okay, last one, 7. Repeat step 1 until step 6 by change copper to sulfate solution to zinc sulfate solution. Okay, apa? I never write molarity and volume. I write until half full. Okay, maksudnya you pour concentration tu, kalau you nak tulis half full boleh, tapi concentration tu kena ada lah. Pour 0.5 mol per dm cube of copper to sulfate solution into a beaker until half full. The concentration tu mesti ada. Ni kena tulis sebab kita tak, habis kalau mau buat eksperimen tak ada bacaan macam mana kan. Okay. So habis, selesailah kita punya prosedur. So 7 step ini dapat 3 markah. Okay, now kita tengok apa yang wajib. Okay. So dia ada, cikgu tulis 7. Okay. So kalau complete ni 3. Tengok. 2, 3, 5, 6 ni wajib. 2, 3, 5, 6 ni kalau ada 2 markah. 2 dan 3 sahaja 1 markah. So dia tak ada masalah. Terbalik-terbalik tak ada masalah. Kadang-kadang skema kata tak payah, kadang-kadang tulis. Bagi cikgu, baiklah kita tulis, dari tiba-tiba tak tulis sebenarnya kena. Kan mana kan? Okay, tabulations of data. Last one. Okay ke prosedur? Okay, tabulations of data. Mesti ada MV dengan RV. MV kita apa tadi? What is our MV? Type of electrolyte. And then this one is observation. Okay, type of electrolyte. So kita guna yang ini. We use zinc, copper to sulfate. Okay, yang ini kita guna zinc sulfate solution. Okay, so observation tak payah tulis ya, tak payah mengada-ngada nak tulis observation dia apa, tak payah. Kosong. Okay. So observation kosong. Habis, dapatlah 2 markah. Pastikan MV dengan RV betul. Kalau MV dengan RV yang jenis ada unit, contoh mass, tulis unit dia. Jangan lupa. Kalau macam type of electrolyte ni tak ada unit kan, tak payah. So kalau jenis MV or RV yang ada unit, write the unit. Okay. Bolehkah? Okay. So disebabkan boleh, kita stop dekat sinilah. Any question guys? Ya, Ainin Sufia.